Here 1 minus x is 0. In the place of x, if you take 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into anything becomes 0. Now at a time, 1 factor you equate it to 0. Integration of 1 divided by a square plus x square, we can write 1 by a. First I'll equate first factor to 0. What is the first factor? X plus 1 to 0. If it is in the form minus a square minus b square, you can take a plus b into a minus b. But 1 plus x square, it cannot be. Integration of this gives you a into log of this. This gives you b into log of this. This linear by quadratic. Welcome to the session, dear students. So in today's class, we'll go ahead with the problems of partial fractions of the exercise. So now in integrals, we have partial fractions of type 2. Type 1 I taught you, where we have degree 1 factors. Now you have one factor which you cannot factorize. It's a quadratic equation. So they want you to integrate this with respect to what? X. In order to do that, first take 2 divided by 1 minus x. 2 divided by 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x square. You can write it as a divided by first factor. What is the first factor? 1 minus x plus bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square. Call it as equation 1. Please understand, this we'll write it as bx plus c divided by 1 plus x square, because this you cannot factorize. If it is in the form minus a square minus b square, you can take a plus b into a minus b. But 1 plus x square, it cannot be factorized. So what we can do, we'll write it as linear equation by quadratic equation. Now as usual, take LCM. If I take LCM, it will become a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x divided by the denominator. What is the denominator? 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. And LHS we have 2 divided by 1 minus x into what? 1 plus x square. So now you can cancel the denominators. So we can cancel the denominators and we call this as equation 2. So we have now 2 is equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. We call it as equation 2. So now at a time equate one factor to 0, first degree 1, that is 1 minus x. If I take 1 minus x as 0, we'll get x is equal to what? 1. Rearrange. So put x is equal to 1 in equation 2. X jagdal 1 haki. So it will become 2 is equal to a into 1 plus 1 square. And I am not writing this because here 1 minus x is 0. In the place of x, if you take 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into anything becomes 0. So from this you can get a. 2 is equal to a into, it will become 2. So a is what? 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So you got the value of a. Value of a is what? 1. So we got the value of what? A. Now we need to get b and c. We need to get what? B and c. So equating the coefficients. So we'll take the equation, that is 2 is equal to a into 1 plus x square. 2 is equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. So now if you multiply this, it will become a plus ax square plus bx minus bx square plus c minus cx. So this was the equation 2. What I am doing, I multiplied this and equate coefficients of x square. Equate coefficient of x square on both sides. Both the sides, highest degree term is x square, equate the coefficients. So in LHS, we have 2, we don't have x square, so 0. Now the left side, x square ilva illa. X square iddidre adar quotient na equate madbekagittu. So here we have only constant. So right side of is equal to, we have a quotient of x square. X square quotient is a and x square quotient is minus b. So a minus b is equal to 0. So now we know the value of what? A. So if you refer, just now we got a. What is a? 1. Put the value of a here. So a is equal to 1, you put 1 minus b, rearrange. So b is equal to what? 1. Now we got b also. We have a is equal to 1, that I have substituted. So that I substituted here. Idralli a jagdal 1 hakidhi because we got a value. Now you know ab. So now equate the coefficients of x on both sides. So LHS is just 2. So we don't have just both sides in equation 2. So now in LHS we don't have x term, so quotient of x is 0. But in RHS I have b and c. So b minus c. Positive b is the quotient of x and minus c. So now b is 1 minus c. So c is equal to what? 1. So now you got a, b, c value. So substitute it. So now if I substitute the values of a, b, c in the equation. So this is the equation. What is that? 2 divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. 2 divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. We can write it as a. What is the value of a? A is what? 1. So we have this, we wrote it as a by 1 minus x, bx plus cy. So equation 1 now implies a. What is a? What is the value of a we got? 1. 1 divided by first factor 1 minus x plus bx plus c. What is b value we got? 1 into x is 1x plus c. C is what? 1 divided by second factor 1 plus x square. 1 into x means x plus 1. Now integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. If you integrate both sides, integration of 2 divided by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square dx is equal to integration of 1 divided by 1 minus x dx plus integration of x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now this gives you integration of, see, quotient of x negative is there, so minus log of 1 minus x, and this you can integrate by method of substitution. Further, I'll split it as integration of x divided by 1 plus x square dx plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. So finally we have log of first term, the minus log of 1 minus x, then x divided by 1 plus x square, you can do substitution. When you do substitution, put t as denominator. So differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. So 2x is equal to, now by method of substitution, putting denominator as t, you will get numerator as dt divided by 2 divided by t, and last term is integrable. Integration of dx divided by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x by a, tan inverse x plus c, and this is minus log 1 minus x plus 1 by 2 constant, take it out. Integration of dt by t is log t plus tan inverse x plus c. That is minus log of 1 minus x plus half log t. T means denominator. What is the denominator? 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x plus c. So integrating is easy because ಇದು direct ಆಗಿ a square a by dx divided by a square plus x square. What is integration of dx divided by a square plus x square? 1 by a tan inverse x by a, and this is also direct. If I take this as t, or 1 by ax plus b is 1 by a log of ax plus b. This we should do substitution, you can integrate. But converting the problem to this form is important. That is repeated factor, factor with which we cannot factorize. So a by first factor, linear equation, plus bx plus c by second factor. This is the way to split this. Now take LCM. What is the LCM? Product of these two. Cross multiply. Then new denominators cancels. Call equation 2. First factor equated to 0. That is 1 minus x na 0 equate ಮಾಡಿ. You will get x value. What is x? 1. Put it in equation 2. You will get a directly. After you get a, now you cannot take this as 0 because you will get imaginary. So directly equate the coefficients. Equating. So first I will multiply equation 2. RHS, then equate the coefficients of what? So we have to equate the coefficients of x square on both sides. So on both the sides we should equate coefficients of x square. So left side I don't have x square, so it will be 0. Right side I have x square here and here. So coefficients are what? A and minus b. So that's what I have done, a minus b. And a value already you got. If you refer, we got already a. What is a we got? A we got 1. So that a is equal to 1. Put it in this equation and rearrange, you will get b. After you get b, equate the coefficients of x. First degree 2 equate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ degree 1. So coefficient of x. Left side again you don't have any coefficient of x. So left side is 0. Right side coefficient of x. X ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ? b ಇದೆ. This is one coefficient of x and minus c. This is another coefficient. So we will take b minus c. And already you know value of b. Put the value of b and solve for c. Once you get ABC, go back to the problem. In the problem we have a here, b here, c here. Substitute ABC here. Then the problem is integrable. So reducing it using partial fraction to integrable form is the real game. So now we'll go ahead with some more numericals. So now second one, this is also same, 2 divided by 1 minus x by 1 plus x square. So this factor, with this we have done 13. So now second question, integration of 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 the whole square. Simple method is make it as a quadratic equation, then linear by quadratic equation I taught you. What you should do, numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b, that method. So now I'll take denominator 3x minus 1 divided by, so a plus b the whole square is what, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will become 4x plus 4. Now we need to integrate this. In order to integrate this, so this is linear by quadratic equation. If I substitute denominator, I cannot get numerator. What you should do? Take numerator is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. A into derivative of denominator plus what? B. What is the numerator we have? Numerator we have is 3x minus 1 is equal to a into derivative of denominator. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 4x is 4 plus derivative of 4 is 0 plus b. Now we need to get a and b. How to get a and b? Equating the coefficients. So now simplify this. Can I write it as 2ax plus 4a plus b is equal to what? 3x minus 1. So now equate coefficients of x on both sides. What is the coefficient of x in LHS? 3. In RHS it is 2a. So from this you will get a. What is a? 3 by 2. You got the value of a now. Now equate the constants. Equate constant. What is the RHS? LHS constant is minus 1. In RHS it is 4a plus b. Now you know the value of a. What is the value of a? 3 by 2. In the place of a, substitute 3 by 2. 4 into 3 by 2 plus b. Simplify this. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 comes this side. B is what? Minus 7. We got b. So you know the value of a, we know the value of b. So now go to the problem. So now given problem can be written as integration of 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 the whole square dx was given. I can write this as integration of 3x minus 1 divided by x square plus 4x plus 4, a plus b the whole square form. This further can be written as numerator can be written as, in spite of numerator is written as what? A into derivative of denominator plus b. A into, what is a? What is the value of a? What is the value of a? You got 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into derivative of denominator is 2x plus 4. Refer this, derivative of a into denominator plus b. What is b? Minus 7. B is what? Minus 7. So divided by x square plus 4x plus 4 dx. Now I can simplify this. So I can write this problem as what? So I can split this as 3 by 2, 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x plus 4 integration. In between we have minus 7 divided by x square plus 4x plus 4 dx. So now we need to integrate this. So 3 by 2 is constant, take it out. Integration of, we have 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x plus 4 dx. 7 is constant, take it out. Integration of 1 divided by, I'll write this as x plus 2 the whole square only. So method of completing squares is easy. What is x plus 2 the whole square? Vapas bardini. Minus 7 I took it out. I want to integrate. So now this can be written as dt by t. So if I take this as t, this is dt, because this is derivative of denominator. Minus 7. So now you know it is in the form of what? Integration of 1 divided by a square plus x square. We can write 1 by a. So 1 by a is what? 1 by Or method of computing squares madadre we'll get this form, that is or sign, sorry, here directly in spite of doing so much. So it is simple. Okay, let it be here. So now I'll take it up. So this part, can I write it as x plus 2 whole power minus 2 dx? Now this is 3 by 2 log t, or f dash x by f of x is log of denominator minus 7. So x power n, what is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, this will become x plus 2 power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. And quotient of x comes as denominator, quotient of x is 1, so leave it. So now substitute the final value. So final value is, I'll write it here, 3 by 2 log of t. T is what? Denominator. What is denominator? X square plus 4x plus 4, or x plus 4 the whole square, you can write plus, sorry, minus 7 x plus 2 power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c, or you can rewrite this as 3 by 2 log of x plus 2 the whole square minus 7, minus into minus becomes plus, and you can write it in denominator as by x plus 2 plus c. So final answer, formatted answer, log a power m log a. So I can write it as 3 by 2 into 2 log of x plus 2, then minus of minus becomes 7 by x plus 2 plus c. This is the final answer. So we can write the answer in standard form like this, and 2 also cancels. So finally you are left out with what? 3 log of x plus 2 plus 7 x by x plus 2 plus c. This is the answer. I hope all of you understood this. But here, numerator by denominator, quadratic equation, linear equation by quadratic equation method, and split this. So this part, this 3 by 2 into 2x plus 4 divided by denominator minus 7 by denominator. Next, 1 divided by integration of 1 divided by x power 4. I want you to integrate this, right? 1 divided by x power 4 minus 1. So now we can't do substitution, but we can write this as 1 divided by, can I write it as x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. Further, can I write it as 1 divided by x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1, and this you cannot factorize, so let it be x square plus 1 dx. Now this is the problem. So now in this we'll take only 1 divided by given problem, x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Can I write this, can I split this as a divided by first factor x plus 1 plus b divided by second factor x minus 1 plus ab is covered, so I'll say cx plus d divided by x square plus 1. All of you know, so always call it as equation 1, you know the method. Now further what you should do, take LCM. If you take LCM, a into x minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 1, or x plus 1 into x minus 1. We call this as equation 2. Denominators cancel, so numerator is equal to this. So if I take LCM, the LCM will be same like last problem. So numerator is this. For this numerator, if I divide the LCM, or one more step you can take LCM. What is the LCM? X plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1. LHS also 1 divided by, we have x plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1. So now this is the idea behind the problem. Now denominator cancels and equate numerators. When you equate numerators, 1 is equal to a into x minus 1 into x square plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 into x square plus 1, x plus 1 into x square plus 1 plus cx plus d into x minus 1. We call this as equation 2. Now at a time, one factor you equate it to 0. First I'll equate first factor to 0. What is the first factor? X plus 1 to 0. If you equate x plus 1 to 0, x will become minus 1. So put x is equal to what? Minus 1 in equation 2. So if you do that, LHS is 1 as it is. If I put minus 1, this will become 0. Minus 1 plus 1, this will become 0. X square plus 1, I am taking the first factor. What is the first factor? X plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See x plus d into x minus 1 into x plus 1, sorry. This is cx plus d into x minus, after you take LCM. So this will also become 0. We call this as equation 2. And when I take x plus 1 is the factor, I am equating to 0. Wherever x plus 1 is there, leave it. So x plus 1 is there, leave it. X plus 1 is there, leave it. So you'll get this. 1 is equal to a into, in the place of x put minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. This will become minus 1 the whole square plus 1. So solving this, you'll get a. Minus 1 is 2. A into minus 2. And this will become 2 again. So a will be minus 1 by 4. You got a value. Similarly, equate second factor, get b value. Okay, dear students, we got value of what? Here we got the value of a. So now we'll put this value of a. So after putting in equation 1, we got a. So take the equation 2. What is the equation 2? 1 is equal to a into x minus 1 into 1 plus x square, or x square plus 1 plus b into x plus 1, or 1 plus x into x square plus 1 plus cx plus d. This is cx plus d into x plus 1 into x minus 1. This was the equation 2. So now we got a value, and now we can do coefficient. So to get b, put second factor. What is the second factor? X minus 1 equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1 in equation 2. 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, leave it. 1 minus 1 is 0, leave it. We'll have b. So b, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 square plus 1 is 2. So b you will get 1 by 4. A you got minus 1 by 4, b you will get 1 by 4. Now you need C and D, equating coefficients of x square on both sides. So LHS we don't have x square 0. Here ax into x it will not give you, but here a into minus 1 into x square, so it will be minus a. Here bx into 1 plus b, and we'll have b into 1, that's it. Then x cube, that's it. Then here cx into x, cx square, and it will become cx cube. No, only d into x dx square plus d. Now you know the values of ab. So 0 is equal to a. What is a? Minus of minus 1 by 4 plus b. What is b? 1 by 4 plus d we don't know. Simplify this. So 0 is equal to positive agata 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So you got d is what? 1 by 2. Now you got a b c d. You got a b c d. So substitute them. So the given problem, a negative 1 by 4, b positive 1 by 4, d you got. C we need. Equate the coefficients of x. Equate coefficients of x. What are the coefficients of x on both sides? Left side we have 0. Right side a into x into 1, so we'll get positive a. B into x into 1 will get positive b. Cx into, okay, we cannot get the coefficient of or put x is equal to 0 in the whole equation, and you can further substitute. Now we have abd. So now we need to get the coefficient of x. LHS we don't have coefficient of x. RHS we have. Okay, here cx into 1 minus c. When you multiply, minus c barata. See, this is actually cx plus d into, if you multiply it will become x square minus 1. If I multiply it will become minus c. That is the coefficient of what? X square. So in the coefficient of x square we'll also have minus c, sorry. Okay, we need to equate the highest degree term, that is x cube. So here we need to equate coefficients of what? X. After we get b, so we got b. Now we'll go ahead with what? Finding CD. We got b, we'll find C and D. In order to find C and D, equate highest degree term, coefficient of x cube on both sides. So left side it is 0. Here ax into x cube 1a will get, bx into x square 1b will get, and cx into x will get plus c, and d will not get. So dx square ashte barata. So a plus b plus c, and you know a and b. What is a? What is a? Just refer the last slide. We have a value. We got a value, that is minus 1 by 4. A is minus 1 by 4. B is plus 1 by 4 plus C. So these two cancel. So C is 0. Got C 0. Now directly go to what? D. So equate coefficients of x square. Equate coefficients of x square on both sides. In LHS, what is the coefficient of x square? 0. In RHS, ax into 1, a into minus 1 into x square, so it will be minus a. B into here b x square into 1 into b, so plus b, and c x cube, d x square positive, a plus b plus d, and you know a and d, so minus of minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus d. So simplify this, it will become 1 by 2 because it will become 2 by 4. So d is minus of. Now you got a b c d. You got a b c d. Substitute a b c d. Substitute a b c d in the place of a b c d. Substitute. This is integrable. Integration of this gives you a into log of this. This gives you b into log of this. This linear by quadratic. Cx plus d, do separate it and solve it. So this is 0. So you'll get d by x square plus 1 directly. You can integrate. So this is a way to get a b c d. Later substitute it and integrate. It is easy. Once you substitute a b c d values, integration is easy and direct. Okay, dear students, partial fraction type 2 I have done. Observe this and practice this so that we can go ahead with other problems. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.